Hi guys, so some of you may have seen that I moved into a new apartment recently and I wanted to give you a little mini apartment tour. For the most part, everything is kind of put together already. It's mainly the living space and all the common space area. Our bedroom still needs a little bit of work, but we just got our new Lull mattress and pillows, which I'm so excited to go set up. I have heard so many amazing things about Lull mattresses, so I'm so excited to get that all set up. So we got the washer and dryer in this closet, nothing too interesting or exciting over there. Then we have our Lull mattress and pillow that just got delivered. So we just brought that in. I love how it was just delivered straight to the door and I didn't have to deal with lugging a mattress home from the mattress store. And then we swing over this way, and so this is our room. Right now it looks pretty bare. We actually don't have our bed frame yet, but we're gonna go ahead and put our Lull mattress on the ground for now so we can obviously sleep. Oh my god, it's so soft.
Oh, yeah,
oh,
damn,
so
yeah,
good.
it is.
Oh, I love it. I can't wait to get our bed frame. Okay, so we just set it up. It literally took us 5 minutes from the beginning of taking it out of the mattress. Steven clearly loves it. A little update, we finally got our bed frame and popped our mattress on top, so we're no longer sleeping on the floor. It's really been so comfortable. It literally feels like we're sleeping at a hotel. We've had our Lull mattress for about 2 weeks now and we are obsessed. It is so comfortable. It's honestly hard to get up in the morning because it is so comfortable. If you guys are on the hunt for a new mattress, I highly recommend Lull. They offer a risk-free trial of 100 nights, so you could try out their mattress for 100 nights if you don't like it, if it doesn't work out. They also offer free shipping and no contact delivery. You don't have to deal with a salesperson at a mattress store. You don't have to lug it home. It gets delivered straight to your door. I would not want to go to a mattress store right now and have to lug it inside my house. Another thing that we really love about this mattress is that it's super soft, but it always bounces back. It doesn't sag, it doesn't sink. And Lull mattresses are made with all non-toxic materials. Overall, 10 out of 10. Highly recommend Lull mattresses and of course their pillows. Again, if you're in the market for a new mattress, be sure to check out Lull and I will see you guys next time. Bye.